Namaste to all. Today we are going to discuss about will or will deed. Will is a document written on anticipation of the death. Means it doesn't mean that it should be imminent. It may be distant. Means when we are writing an will, it is not compulsory that it be only before the death of the person will is going to be right. During the lifetime of the person, anytime the will can be, the document will be written by the person. So it is not necessary only just before to the death of the person the will has to be executed, will has to be written, and moreover will deed is an expression given to the wish, his or her wish to disposal of the property after their demise. The person who is writing a will is called as a testator, and the beneficiary of the will is called as a legatees, and the property dealt with in under the will is a bequest. Will is defined under Indian Succession Act section 2 clause H, and will means it is a legal declaration of the intention of the testator of his property which has to be carried out after his death or demise. When we are writing in a will has to be carried their characteristics. The characteristics of the will are there must be a legal declaration, and there must be legal declaration with regard to the property of the testator. Legal declaration must be with regard to the after the death of the testator. Means if any document which is written which is going to be effect immediate after writing the document or during the lifetime of the testator, then it will not be called as a will. The testamentary document or the will can be revoked at any time during the lifetime of the testator. Means during the lifetime of the testator can write any number of wills, but the last will can be taken into consideration and it will give effect. Will shall name an executor who is going to carry out the will, and the will must be signed by the testator, that too before two witnesses, and the witnesses must sign before the testator. Means the testator and the witnesses has to be signed the will before each other, and moreover it is not necessary that will has to be registered. It is not covered under section 17 of the Registration Act, so it is not necessary, but there is an option to register the will deed. The will deed can be registered immediately at the time of the after the writing of the document, or during the lifetime of the testator, or even after the death of the testator. Will deed can be registered by the legatees, but when it is registering after the demise or the death of the testator, then the signature of the testator as well as the witness's signature must be proved to register it. This is with regard to the will deed. If you need any more information, further information, you people can call me up, and my contact number is scrolling under my video. Thank you.